Jim, I'm expecting some hustle, muscle, and even though it doesn't rhyme, some jostle in this contest.
Don, there'll be all that and more from the Detroit Red Wings and the Columbus Blue Jackets. Chelios. Sillinger takes possession of the puck. Wrist shot! Joseph shut the door!
He's on a one-man mission to purge the net of pucks, one shot at a time.
Chet scores right upstairs!
The goalie stood there waving as it cruised by on the upper deck. Oh, and the defenders are thinking, hey, we may just have messed up somewhere.
Detroit gets off to a great start.
They shouldn't celebrate yet, Jim. There's enough time on the clock for the other team to learn a foreign language, do some laundry, and take the lead.
Offside, Columbus. Marchment is grimacing in pain on the ice.
The arm or elbow took the brunt of it. His coach can't hide his concern right now.
Who can?
Good point.
The pain appears to be too much. They're taking him out of this game for now.
Maybe for the night.
We'll wait for an update on the extent of his injuries. Shatan shoots the puck, missed the net. Detroit may have an injured player.
Everyone in this arena is hoping that's not the case, Jim.
Oates will head off to the dressing room.
There's no way to tell how serious it is, Jim, but there's a good chance we could still see him back in the game.
Look at that, Don. He hit him from behind.
That's a dangerous play, Jim. He can't argue getting a penalty there.
Sillinger, Whitney, corrals the puck. Sillinger, now with it. Shanahan. Iserman fires from the right. Denis stoned him. Marshall with the puck. Sillinger. Lidstrom runs over Whitney. Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Yager. Linden. Richardson. Linden runs over Richardson.
Wow! That one sounded like King Kong falling off a building.
Menelek knocks him off the puck. Wright grabbed it. Wright gobbles it up.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
They're serving it up and dishing it out.
Hey, hockey's a hungry game.
Wow, he nailed him there.
After a hit like that, a guy could launch a solo career.
Detroit penalty
Kron.
number 32. Scott Ferguson
Fires hard from the right. Joseph closed the door. Brewer levels Quint.
Lays him out like a cheap carpet.
Major for
Breakaway. Denied by Denis.
That there's some quality goaltending there, Jimbo.
Salivanov. Gobin controls the puck. Detroit has it. Fedorov. Solani, hard one-timer. Scores! It trickled in.
The goalie's down, the puck is in, he gives it to him on the chin. You know what they call these in England?
No, what?
Two-goal leads.
Gee, Don, same as in Canada.
No, those are two-goal leads. Wow, how about that? It is the same. Do you think that's because we both speak English?
Misses! Marshall fires! Whitney gets thrashed. Marshall fired it hard. He scores!
Incredible plays are like box office smash hits. Everyone wants to make one, and the fans love to watch them.
Detroit have to be careful. They've given their opponents a bit of life now.
If they can escape the period with a lead, they should be fine.
Maltby now has the puck. Shatan, quick shot. Turned away.
The key to making saves is timing.
Gobin grabs the puck.
last minute of play.
Kron takes it. Detroit in control now. Sillinger nails Yager.
And now, for those of you whose favorite part of the game is the first intermission, let the fun begin. We've got a real closey on our hands.
Indeed, it's an evenly matched affair and a highly entertaining one because of it.
Let's get on with the second.
Menelek takes possession of the puck. Wright now has it. He misses the net. Lidstrom with the puck. Iserman grabbed it. Yager all alone. Cranks one. Saved by Denis.
The goalie really understands the concept of positioning.
Columbus beats out the icing call. Iserman. Yager grabbed it. He gets laid out.
The technique he uses for falling down is impeccable.
Sillinger shoots the puck. Joseph denies him. Lidstrom. Iserman takes the puck. Yager fired it. Blocked. Whitney knocked him off the puck. Sillinger moved it. Fedorov runs over Whitney. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. The face-off goes to Columbus. Turned away.
Ah, yes. The old blocker-stick combination. Perfect, really.
Sillinger gets hold of the puck. Hard shot. Ferguson gets in the way. Linden. Grattan. Klesla takes possession of the puck. Fires it from the corner. Brewer scoops it up. Larionov gets laid out.
That hit was abnormally average.
Saved by Denis.
It's good that he shoots. It gives him a sense of accomplishment.
Denis, great save. He came up with a puck.
Which is way better than a rabbit.
Denis makes the save. Blocked. Shoots the puck. Grabbed by Columbus. Right. Columbus scooped it up. Larionov gets checked.
He drums up a mega hit and it rocks the arena.
Yager. Quint grabs the puck. Linden shoots it. He scores. Awesome individual play to get the goal.
He took the high road. What a classy guy.
Now let's see if they can increase their 2-goal lead.
I can't wait. This is the most fun I've had since, well, ever.
The goal.
Maltby fires it. Denis turned the shot away. Klesla. Klesla shoots the puck from the right. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Sillinger. Quick shot from the left. Shatan will serve time for cross-checking.
And this infraction brings his team's penalty minutes to a total of, let's see.
Sullivanov scores!
Some shots are like nuggets of gold. They require lots of sweat and hard work, but are worth every ounce of it in the end.
With more than 20 minutes left in tonight's match, one goal isn't much of a cushion.
You're telling me. One mistake and it'll pop faster than inflatable furniture.
Shanahan shoots! Aubin. The Blue Jackets stump the puck in. Lidstrom got it. Shanahan gets it. Yager has it now. Yager! Denis made the save!
The shot was rejected like an old girlfriend.
Saved by Denis!
If he can see it, he can stop it.
Larionov now with the puck. Brewer.
I just know the third period will be chock full of excitement. The intermission? Well, less so. Welcome back to the game, which has been a veritable wellspring of entertainment value. Let's get to it.
Whitney. Columbus dumps the puck in. Marshall takes Whitney scores! And he's going to be pretty happy about that one.
I bet. I'm happy just watching it.
The third period has opened with a bang.
What was that? Paper bag. I was trying to give some atmosphere. What?
Offside, Columbus. Maniluk. Wright took the puck. Columbus gets a hold of it. Taken out. Maniluk gets hold of the puck. Fedorov. Wrist shot. Denis closes the door.
Maybe the shooter zigged when he should have zagged.
Turned aside by Denis.
Whatever. Not like it affects me one way or the other.
Maniluk. Fedorov. Denis denies him. The net comes loose and play is stopped. Kron controls the puck. Chelios has it now. Kron gets checked.
He came up against a force to be reckoned with, and I reckon he lost.
Kron scoops up the loose puck. Sullivanov. The Blue Jackets stump it in. Yager. Shanahan. shoots the puck from the right, blocked. Kron put it between his legs.
Nice trick, Ace.
Kron. Lidstrom now with the puck.
That shot, of course, characterized by its wideness.
Larionov got the puck. Larionov. Lidstrom jumps on it. Iserman. Columbus puts its scoring line out. Shanahan, hard shot. He hits the post. Meneluk gets the puck. Larionov corrals it. The Blue Jackets stump it. Marshall grabbed it. Pompierre shoots it quickly. Shanahan. Yager now with it. Brewer shoots. Columbus grabs it. Grandpierre. Sillinger. Ferguson stops the shot. Fedorov corrals the puck. Brewer, one-timer. Taken by Detroit. Rips it from the left. Blocked. Whitney jumps on the loose puck. Shoots it hard. Joseph made the save. Sillinger pitchforks Ferguson. The game waits as the broken glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Richardson shoots the puck. Grattan. Detroit wins the race and beats out the icing call. Great save by Denis. Grattan takes control of the puck. Last one! Scores!
Top shelf where you hide the cookies from the kids. Sorry, kids.
Detroit is in the driver's seat.
Close your eyes and fasten your seatbelts. We're going for a ride.
Fedorov won the faceoff.
Number 15, Jochen
Robitaille. He scores upstairs.
They're not wasting any time taking advantage of shaky goalie dude in there.
There it is, the proverbial huge goal.
Ah, yes, the PHG.
Who calls it a PHG?
Lots of people. Okay, only a few people. Okay, only me, but it's catching on.
Columbus is going to go with the extra attacker.
They'll need to go for it, and I need to go to the concession before they close. See you, Jim.
Kron trapped offside and play is stopped. Richardson with the puck. Salani fires. He scores an empty netter.
That one flew in while the goalie was on standby.
Detroit goal.
Marshall.
Number 9, Timu Solani. The goal was unassisted.
Scores!
Columbus goal. Scored by
Maltby. Offside, Detroit.
By number 29, Grant Marshall, and by number 44.
Iserman wins the draw. Shanahan shoots it. Yager jumps on the loose puck. Aubin has it. Denis is skating to the bench.
The extra guy may help, but 2 goals is a large assignment. Ah, who am I kidding? They'll never do it. Never!
Joseph made the brilliant save. Yager shoots from the left. He tallies an empty net goal.
Detroit goal.
Sillinger
Number 68.
put it in the books. Detroit does the unthinkable and wins, Dunn.
This team played a physical game out there, and flexing their muscles seemed to work.
Looks good on the beach, looks good on the ice.
Tonight's third star for Detroit, number 9, Timu Solani.